In this video, I'll show you how to install ink in the Canon Pixma TR4755i printer. If your ink is still in the packet, take it out and then remove the orange strip that is on the printer head and make sure not to touch either the contacts or the print head. Go ahead and do the same with the black ink cartridge. Once you've done that, make sure your printer is on and lift down this lid at the front. Then we're going to pull down the second lid, and then finally this third lid will reveal the ink trays to us. What you need to do now is push down these two blue tabs like this. Do the same with the one on the right, so it's okay to use a bit of force. Don't worry, you won't break it. Then take your color ink cartridge and place it in the left hand side. So you want to pinch it with your finger and thumb and simply slide it in like this. Then to secure it in place, flip up the blue tab like this. We will do the same with the black ink cartridge. So I like to pinch it with my finger and thumb and then glide it in so that it rests like this. And then once again, push up this blue tab, and it's okay to use some force. So the final thing to do now is simply lift up the three trays, and the ink is now installed. So if you found this useful, please like and subscribe.